If OneNote is showing a permissions error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem fast. This issue is often caused by a bad sign-in session or saved credentials that need to be cleared and refreshed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to sign out properly, remove the problem credentials, restart your PC, and get OneNote working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, open OneNote and look in the top corner for your profile picture or your account name. This is where you'll manage the account signed into the app. Click on it and then choose Sign Out from every account that appears on the list, including personal, work, or school accounts. It's important to sign out of all of them so OneNote can start fresh without carrying over the old permissions issue. Once you've signed out, fully close OneNote. Don't just minimize it. Make sure the app is completely closed before moving on. After that, reopen OneNote and sign in again with the account you want to use. In many cases, this alone can refresh the connection and clear the permissions error. But if the issue is still there, the next step is to remove stored credentials from Windows. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Credential Manager, and press Enter. This opens the Windows tool that stores sign-in information for apps and services. Inside Credential Manager, click the Windows Credentials tab, then scroll down until you reach the Generic Credentials section. Here, look carefully for any entries that include Microsoft Office 16, OneDrive, or OneNote. These saved credentials can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, which is why the permissions error keeps coming back. When you find one of those entries, click the small drop-down arrow next to it and then choose Remove. If you see more than one related entry, remove each one that matches Microsoft Office 16, OneDrive, or OneNote. After that, close Credential Manager. Now restart your PC. This step is important because it forces Windows and OneNote to rebuild the sign-in connection from scratch. Once your computer turns back on, launch OneNote again and sign in one more time. At this point, the permissions error should be fixed and OneNote should open normally without blocking access. If it worked, you're all set. If not, double check that you signed out of every account, removed the correct credentials, and fully restarted your computer before testing again. And that's how you fix a OneNote permissions error using a clean sign out, credential reset, and fresh sign in. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.